Hello everyone, it's your favorite niece Jen here. I'm gonna wish Matt and Nana a happy 46th wedding anniversary. You guys are the most wonderful couple. They pampered me a lot. May Lord Shiva shower his love and warmth upon you two on this blessed day of your anniversary. Hugs and kisses from all of us. I'd like to wish Uncle Ajay from Life with Ajay a happy birthday greeting. One that are coming from your local family. Now for the shout out. My favorite Chacha Reza M, Joe, Nikki family, Adventures in Food with Priya, Sita B. Harry, Skinner Prasad, Annie Prasad, Bakaram Ramasar, Gandia R, Susie Hines, V. Fu, Ben, Lazina Safi, Pearl Prasad, Derek Rambilas, Guyana Spice, and Drew Moon. Auntie Lakshmi, Auntie Savika Bridgenandon, and family from Canada. These are all comments from the last video. If you want to be in the shout out, drop a comment below. Bye.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel.
It's your local family with Rita and Krishna.
I hope everyone is having a good day.
Thank you in advance for watching, and we hope that you enjoy this video.
Please subscribe to our channel
And share with everyone. So last week I started a new job, right? The new job is I'm driving Uber. I got a new job there. So I started. The first passenger pickup, it's not a too long distance, maybe about 20 minutes drive or so. So we're all there, sitting silent, just driving through the local street quietly. You know, me and man very focused on my driving patiently, driving quietly. All of a sudden, the passenger give me a tap on the shoulder. I run off to the side of the road, almost run into a shop front. I barely stopped right in front of it. The passenger said, whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm really sorry, man. What's going on? I just tapped you on the shoulder. I don't know a tap like that will scare you like that. I said, no, it's not your fault. For the last 25 years, I've been driving a horse. Today is my first day on the job with this taxi. Yes, family. So look what we got here. The other day we had a lot of 7 curry, right? So we got to get the protein going now. So we're going opposite of that. We got some nice chicken here. Fresh chicken we bought from Shaw Poultry right here in New Jersey, right? So chicken, and we got duck here. This is a big duck the man sell me there. Man said I think get 13 pounds. So I'm gonna split it up in 2. So we're gonna do half of it. I pre-seasoned this one since it's a big duck and I wanted to soak in with the season.
and we bought it today.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Everything is fresh. I seasoned it up earlier and let it soak in. So the chicken, I didn't pre-season this. And I have all my ingredients spread out here. So we're craving some meat there, right? We're having a shortage of protein or what?
Yeah.
All right, so let's get going.
And Ethan complaining all the time. Every day when I give him food, he said, Mommy, no fish, no chicken.
Where's the chicken? Where's the chicken, man?
And guys, yes, here we have all the seasoning that we're gonna use. So I already separate everything. So this seasoning here gonna go for the duck, and this for the chicken. And we also have some potatoes.
So I got some olive oil here, Kirkland brand, Costco brand, right?
Yeah,
Just go
that's
in
where
with
we
that
shop.
Give it a nice amount there. Let
Don't
it
be
duck me.
stingy, man. I
Let it
know
duck
things
forever.
expensive.
You gotta economize, man. You gotta save. Alright, so we'll let this warm up. We're gonna do one at a time. We'll do the duck first, since the duck will take a little bit longer. So we'll get a head start on the duck. While the duck is ongoing, we'll go for the chicken. Alright, so we'll let this warm up for a little bit and then we're gonna come back.
How your wife say you can't cook by? You get 2 curry here, battle here.
I got another one over there to cook the rice over there.
Yeah.
We got rice, and we also got some dal puri to go along with this duck, right? So we have option. Ethan sometimes does actually little roti and so, especially when we cook duck meat. So let's see if he's gonna go with his dal puri today or he's gonna go with rice. Depends on what mode he is in. Yes guys, so I got my oil warm up here, and as usual I'm going in with my onion and pepper, bay leaf, curry leaf, right? We still got pepper from the garden even though we didn't start plant yet. I was from last year. And now we're outside, we can warm this thing up and burn up this onion a little bit more. Since
Yeah, we outside. I'm excited. Are you excited?
Of course. Weather's changing. Oh man, strong smell. The weather is changing, right? But today the sun didn't come out. It's a little bit, still a little bit on the chillier side, even though it's mid to upper 50s. But because the sun didn't come out, still a little bit chillier, but not bad. I got my sweater on. Nothing we can overcome, right? Alright, so let's go in with the next stuff here. I don't want to burn up my onion too much since my oil already hot. Alright, so I'm going in with my dry ingredients here. We got masala, curry powder, turmeric, red chili, and some jeera there. Alright, so let's go in with that. I'll give it a mix up there. I'm going to add some water into it. Rita, can you turn up the stove a little bit? Alright guys, so here I have some black pepper, some aji. A lot of people don't use aji nowadays, right? But I like to use my little aji and my aja and so.
But they say it's cancerous, right?
That's what I heard.
But if it's cancerous, the
they're
FDA,
selling it, right?
yeah, the FDA not gonna pass that, right?
Here we have some Mr. Dash and some paprika. I already pre-seasoned the duck already. We're just adding a little bit more flavor on top of flavor, right?
Yeah. We put meat tenderizer. So, thing the guy said, pressure this dog. This dog on big old hardback dog. Let me see.
Man said the duck is a very hard duck, but I think it's a little bit wrong. We put some meat tenderizer. We got the big fire out here. We should be okay. I mean, them duck over here, you not keep them too large like how you keep them in Guyana, right? So if it's in Guyana, it's probably going to be really hard. But I don't think this one will be so hard. And I'm using my dabla today. Alright? So I got my masala bunji up here. Let's go in with the seasoned duck here, or pre-seasoned duck. So let me see here. And with this duck, I give it a decent amount of masala here, right? We let this duck man must need a little nice masala. So let me turn this up here, get everything incorporated, and we're gonna let it bunji. We're not gonna pressure this, right? Like Rita was saying. And I was saying earlier, them duck in America is a little bit softer compared to the one in Guyana because they are indoor, right?
And tell them about what your neighbor did with the wine.
The neighbor gave me a nice bottle of wine there, so I put it to chill. My neighbor next door here, Mr. Ivan there, right? So thank you. We're gonna sip, drink that wine and eat duck meat today, duck curry today and wine.
You have to give the story behind it, bro. I gotta tell you everything.
Oh, I kind of forget. Alright, so the man come and give me the wine and he said, congratulations, make sure your wife not drink this because she's pregnant, right? Then I tell the man, what do you mean my wife is pregnant? He said, I saw a video that you post up and she said she's pregnant, so congratulations. And so I'm giving you the wine. I said, man, that was a All Fool Day joke. It was April 1st. The man was like, oh man, you really got me. I really thought you're having another baby.
Yeah, a lot of people reach out to us and say, congratulations, guys. It was a joke.
And yesterday we went to a party too, right? And everybody was saying, what happened? Why you guys, why Rita is having wine? Aren't she pregnant? Like, man, we got everybody, right? But anyway, it's a full day joke, guys. It's not, she's not pregnant. I think, you know, both of our kids are big enough, old enough already. We don't want to start back. And me also an old man now. We get patient for baby and so on.
Yeah.
We got, next 2 years, we got to prepare for grandkid.
I know.
Alright, so we're going to cover this up and let it bunjay here. So while the duck is bunjaying here, we're going to go with the chicken, right? So, like I was saying earlier, we get a head start with the duck. So let's go in, add in the onion, pepper, bay leaf, and curry leaf here. Similar step, right? Now fry up this onion and pepper a little bit. And then we'll go in with the rest of the ingredients. So the reason why we're doing two, right? You guys are wondering, Rita don't eat duck. Rita and Jenna, they're not going to eat that duck. So the duck is only for me and Ethan. So the chicken is for Rita. She also needs your protein, right? She's tired, also tired with her vegetables.
Yeah. Sometimes you gotta do some devotion.
Yep. We got separate dabla here, right? One time we're going to mix it up a little bit, Rita. We'll get a little taste with the duck there. What is it?
No, don't play that.
You think the man at a restaurant I keep everything separate?
I know, but we're here now. I na see heart na bun.
Alright, I'm just gonna keep everything separate, man. Don't worry. With me, you're safe. Alright? So here, I got similar ingredient that I have for the duck here. Masala, curry powder, grind jeera, red chili, and some turmeric there. Let's go in with that. So here, let's go in with some chicken bouillon. Since we got chicken there, I didn't add that into the duck, since that's duck meat. I'm also gonna go in with a little bit of aji, some black pepper here, give it some nice spice there, some water inside there, to get my masala mixed up. Alright,
Work it, baby. Work it. Work it.
Get some more water.
Smell good.
Smell good there. And they better main back in business there, getting a nice curry smell.
I know.
They probably missed that, right? Alright, so we're gonna let our masala bunje up here for a little bit, then we'll go in with the chicken. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get my masala ready to go there. Bunje up nice there, add in the chicken. And we're also gonna get the masala incorporate into the chicken there. Just a decent sized chicken, is about 6 pounds or so, right? And people just ask me why I cook all the food, man. Who eat all the food? Tell you, you see my size, man? I gotta cook according to my size, right? I gotta make sure I supply the body there. That's it.
I know. It's not a lot. It only look like that on camera.
Yeah, it's not a lot, guys. And this curry is not the big curry that you used to for bandara cooking, right? It's a baby one out of those.
Yeah.
But it has the same shape and everything. So some people might think this is a bandara style curry, but no. This is just personal use, right? And see, it's not full. Alright, so we're gonna let this chicken bunje here too. So we got the chicken bunje up there. We put in some aloo there. We want to cook aloo or potato in our meat, right? Let's go in with the water and we're gonna let this cook. Let me give it a nice turn up there. I give it a nice decent amount of water there. We need to make some gravy. The kids love the gravy, especially with the aloo there, and especially we're gonna eat this with dal puri, right? We're gonna make some nice dal puri there for us.
Sure.
Alright guys, so take a look at this here. We didn't steam our meat because normally when I clean my any meat, I remove all the skin and all the fat, right? So that's why we normally bunje it, so we let the water burn out. Once that burn out, then I add additional water to boil it. So guys, check out the duck there. Like I said, right? The duck takes a little bit longer. This
Bunjal
one,
real nice.
yeah, bunjal up real good there. See how it's looking? And I'm also going in some aloo with this one. Like I was saying earlier, I'll be like having a little aloo, alright?
It's not like you try to stretch a thing, man, or what?
Stretch the thing? No man, we get plenty of meat. We get two types of meat here. But like I said, and even in the Guyanese restaurant that I go to in Queens, right? When they add a curry, even
Aloo more than curry.
they clap aloo with it. So a lot of people like aloo in them curry. Plus, to me, it gives it a different flavor.
And it make the curry more thick.
Yeah, it makes the curry a little bit thicker. All right. So we got everything incorporated there. See, duck is looking good there. It smells really good too. We're gonna give it some water. And this one I'm gonna go in with a little bit extra water since it's a bigger duck. It's a 13-pound duck, right? So we gotta let this boil. Alright. Let's cover everything up here. See, we got everything covered. We're gonna let this cover this out now and gab fire.
The chicken bubbling up.
Yeah,
away.
chicken bubbling up there too. This is also gonna bubble up there once the water starts boiling. Guys, so both curry done. So we turn them off. Now we're just gonna top it off. Give it a nice dressing here with some fresh shallot there, right? Check this out there. See how the
Off your garden?
Off my garden? Yeah, man. Of course, of course. Where else? Maybe man a produce year round. And come in there. Check out this duck there. See how this duck look in there. Real nice, right? Yes guys, so time for dinner, right? Chicken curry done, duck curry done. Of course I'm going with the duck here, right? So check out the duck here, how it look with the rice. Rita did a good job here decorating. Give me some cucumber and some what do you call this pepper again? Pimento pepper here. This is not too spicy, right? This is flavor pepper. So I'm going in with my hand. I have my spoon. Rita gave me my spoon too, but I feel like eating it with hand, I get to mix up better and sani up better, right? I feel it carry a better flavor to it. So let's see what the duck look like here. Comment, this is what the duck look like. Like I was saying earlier, right, before I was cooking it, it's a very huge duck. We only cook half of it. So let's hope it boil, right? Let's go in there and see. And like Rita was saying, the guy that I brought it from, he told me you gotta pressure this thing. You guys see, right? I didn't pressure it. And you see how it's loosing? You gotta know how to cook it, right? You gotta have secret ingredient is there to make this thing boil. So you see why I anointed the spoon? You can do this, right? You can sani up if you had your spoon. And like I was saying, it carry a different flavor when you mix it up in your hand and you sani up real good. And of course I got the beer there to wash it down, right? Cheers, cheers. So this duck boil really good and the flavor come out perfect, right? I know it's a big duck, but because it's big, the meat is very flavorful and it's not hoxy. Like sometimes you have the smaller duck, right? Feel like you're too young and some of them loose up too much. But this one you get the meat, you get the chewy part of it, but it's not hard. Very good. So this is very flavorful. I'm gonna enjoy this here, and I got my beer to go with it. We're gonna show you guys the chicken curry in a little bit.
Guys, check out my meal. I got some nice proper things here. Chicken curry. Oh, yum, yum, yum. Check it out,
So I
guys.
find a new job in the bank as a teller. So then this old lady come in to the bank and he say, "Would you please check my balance?" I say, "Sure, no problem." I come around and I push her and she fall down. Immediately the manager fired me.